ESB Networks is committed to developing and maintaining a full suite of quality documents that all our people value, use and comply with. Where the user of a document is unclear about any aspect of it or feels the document could be improved or updated, we want them to tell us that so that we can continually update and improve our documents. All users can provide feedback on document to the document developer during the general consultation stage and to the content owner after the document is published and for the entire life of the document. We have committed to the users of our documents that document developers and content owners will review all feedback, consider it and respond to it. You have 20 calendar days to respond to the feedback. This e-learning pack gives you, the document developer or content owner, guidance on how this is done. Where a user has submitted feedback or asked for clarification on one of your documents, you will receive an email from OneSource. Open the email and click on the workflow task. When you scroll down the task, you will see the feedback text. You can also open any links or attachments, photos, etc. Please review and consider the feedback or question. You have 20 days to respond to the feedback. When you are ready to respond, click on To Respond to User and elevate to Feedback Log. Draft a response to the question or feedback. If you need to take some action in response to the feedback or question, update details of the action in the Response Actions field. For example, you may decide that your document should be revised to take on board the feedback received. In cases where this needs to be done immediately, for example a safety critical change, you will immediately initiate a revision to the document. But in most cases, any changes are logged for consideration at the next scheduled review of the document. Finally, click on Send to send your response and elevate the feedback and your response to the feedback log. Please ensure you always elevate all feedback to the feedback log so that users can see it. The exception to this are grammar or spelling corrections, abusive feedback, or exceptional situations where you make a judgment call that the feedback should not be elevated. You and any user can view the feedback log for your document by clicking on the View Feedback link on the document. Content owners will view this log when carrying out the scheduled review of the document to consider what changes, if any, may need to be made to the document. As you address each item on the log, please close it. To do this, select the item, click on Edit, scroll down and update your reason for closing. Change the status to Close and click on Save. Thank you for your support in reviewing, considering and responding to all feedback logged for your documents. This ensures that all our users can be confident that their views are welcome and considered in our documents, and also that our documents continue to be correct, fit for purpose and up to date.